On my last episode, I did a test with the OTC compression testing kit and tested my compression at a little bit over 180 psi. Alright, it's G-Wiz here. So let's find out once and for all if this compression test is going to work in this car. If this reads anything under 180 psi, we can assume that this compression test does not work based on our last video. Okay, this is the compression test on a cold start. It's not a very long compression test, so there's no way we can put that on the glass to see when we're done. Okay, I'm going to crank the engine now. 2, 3, 4, 5. This test seems pretty accurate to me. 180 psi. Yeah, the psi is at 180. I think that this compression test kit works just fine. So you saw from me, G-Wiz, this compression testing kit by Innova, it works. It's just as good as any other professional testing kit. It's only $20. I highly recommend you get it. Heck, you might even try Harbor Freight's model. Seems to work great to me. I think there's a lot of fake negative reviews online that is promoting the idea of other people spending more money on a product they don't really need. Maybe their mechanics doing it, I don't know. These are all very recent. So Innova has over 800 positive reviews. Give it a try. Don't listen to the recent negative reviews saying that it doesn't work anymore. For the common DIY, you don't need it. But if you're a dedicated DIY like me and you're willing to read up what the problems might be and invest your time, then maybe this is for you. So what do you think? Which test kit is worth it to you? Once again, thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. This is G-Wiz out.